If you're looking for a non-surgical neck lift, then stick around.
So today I want to share with you a fun little gadget that I purchased. And these are neck band things. So what they do is you put them around the back and there's little tapes here, okay? They just pull your neck back slightly. So maybe you're going somewhere, you're going to be getting photos taken. You just want to have your neck looking better than it is naturally. Then you can just use these. It's a quick little enhancement. They cost $10, something like that. But there is a trick to putting them on. So first and foremost, you're going to put your hair up like this. You want to make sure that you have no hair at the back here because you don't want your hair getting caught in these tapes. And I'm going to show you that in a minute. I grab some rubbing alcohol. Once again, I don't do this every single day by any stretch. These are just things that I tuck away for a special occasion when I'm maybe getting pictures done. Grab a little rubbing alcohol on your cotton pad. And I always make sure, because I always put a lot of lotion and cream, and I actually take my foundation down to my neck as well. So you want to make sure you're getting rid of all of that grease. So I'm going to flip it to the other side. And that way the tape can really adhere to your neck. I actually have a little tip for my jawline too, which I'm going to attach another little video to this one. So a little beauty hack, let's say. All right, so I just peeled the one tape off. I'm peeling the second one off. This kit came with 4 of these kind of rubber pieces. Once again, it's like $10 or something. I will put the price here for you. Okay, so try not to touch these too much. Now I'm going to grab them and try and keep it as straight as you can. I'm doing this side first. Okay, so I'm going to rub it in. You won't be able to see it at all. And then let's just do this one. There we go. And that is how easy it is. And it just lifts your neck. Look, there you go, right? You can't even see it. Now, obviously, I have shoulder length hair, so that's definitely more helpful than, let's say, if you had really short hair up to here. But let me just see. Can you see that? It's not that easy to see that I have it on. That's it. So for $10, a little rubbing alcohol, this little kit here, I'm going to show you. And once again, 4 of these came with it. So these, once you're done, okay, you just peel like the tape off and don't discard the rubber piece because you want to keep those for future. 20 of these come with it. And as you can see, it has definitely enhanced my neck. There's no pain. Make sure you don't put it like too far up because then I've done that before. I've made that mistake and it just feels really uncomfortable. You know, I'm not trying to get the neck of a 30-year-old here. I just want a little pull back. Easy beauty hack. Don't forget the rubbing alcohol because without it, the tapes do tend to loosen throughout the day because of our natural body oils. And once again, I put foundation and sunscreen and all that good stuff all over my neck and décolleté. I have done it before and forgotten to put the rubbing alcohol on and it's actually popped off. So that's never a great thing where it's, you know, still adhering to this side, but it's not to this side. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I hope that you found this little beauty hack helpful. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and remember, you've got this.